Creating high-quality and engaging content is key to attracting and retaining an audience as an affiliate marketer. In this video, we'll discuss some tips for creating content that resonates with your audience and helps you achieve your marketing goals. Firstly, it's essential to understand your target audience. What are their pain points, interests, and needs? What kind of content do they find engaging and informative? By understanding your audience, you can tailor your content to their needs and create content that resonates with them. Next, focus on creating content that provides value to your audience. This can include how-to guides, product reviews, case studies, and industry news. Make sure that your content is informative, actionable, and relevant to your audience's interests. Another crucial factor in creating engaging content is to optimize it for search engines. This means using relevant keywords, creating compelling headlines, and using meta descriptions to enhance your content's visibility on search engines. In addition, using images, videos, and infographics can help to break up your content and make it more engaging for your audience. Use visuals to illustrate your points, provide examples, and add context to your content. Finally, engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions, asking for feedback, and encouraging them to share your content on social media. Building a community of loyal followers takes time and effort, but it's essential to the success of your affiliate marketing efforts. In conclusion, creating high-quality and engaging content requires a deep understanding of your audience, a focus on providing value, optimization for search engines, the use of visuals and interactive elements, and engagement with your audience. By following these tips, you can create content that resonates with your audience and drives significant revenue as an affiliate marketer.